Okay, I've already washed my face, moisturized it, did everything. So we got a new package today. I already started tearing the package open. So we do have a new package today. Let me show y'all what's inside of it. So I got this from One Size. They were having this sale. So, you know, your girl cannot miss out on a sale. Like, that's the one thing that I just can't do. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, so I have this Ultimate Setting Powder. I'm a fiend for good setting powder. I feel like I can never really find a really nice one, setting powder, which is in Dark Deep. Okay, so this is mostly, it's not even going to be like my contouring setting powder. But the thing was I never used regular setting powder on my face. Never. So I would just leave it, honestly. Like, once I put on my foundation, it would just be nothing on top of it. Something else that I'm really excited about is because I sweat a lot. And not even like I sweat a lot, but like if I'm like walking really fast, 9 times out of 10, I'm usually rushing to get out of the house to go somewhere. And I start sweating. So I did get this is going to be Secure the Sweat Dry Till Dawn Primer. I'm very excited about this. So this is mattifying. Oh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to see what that gives me. This, because everything was like on sale, they gave this to me for free. And this is the Brow Defining Pencil. I normally never use brow pencil because my eyebrows are just super thick. The most that I might do is maybe just do some contouring around them to kind of like give them a nice shape, you know, or to define them really, but I don't really use liner. So then this here is the setting spray. And honestly, I've heard so many good things about it. I actually wanted to get the big bottle, but because I was able to try these two together, I was just like, why not? You know, and this is going to be the first time that I'm using it. So we don't even know if it's actually going to work. But I heard Beyonce uses this during her concerts. And we already know that she stayed slayed, okay, for 2.5 hours of jumping and dancing. And I can't last 20 minutes on a treadmill without me pouring down in sweat. So I'm excited. And this here is mascara. Ultimate Lifting and Lengthening Mascara. I tend not to use mascara only because I wear eyelashes and I really just don't like that big clumpy look on my eyelashes. That this is a flake proof, curl retention, length retention, and it's 24-hour wear. I think I'm going to use it today. And that's the package. That is the package for today. So we are going to start with our primer. And let's see, it comes in a tin can. I don't know, it has this right here, like it's already pressed. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's straight out of the packaging. I hope a man didn't manhandle it and it's gonna spill everywhere, but let's see. Yep, it's already spilling. Just as I thought, you know? That's what experience gets you. Okay, so now my nose, I feel like I need extra on my nose because my nose sweat so much. Like, that's the first place that's gonna start sweating. Right here in my like T-zone. Yes. That's where I sweat the most. And it's so crazy. I worked out this morning and the rest of my body was not perspiring. Arms is dry, you know, legs is dry. It's just my face. My face is like pouring. So I do notice that once I start wearing my makeup throughout the night, that it just looks very smudgy, you know. All right, so now that I done went in with my primer, I do want to just let that soak in a little bit, and I'm gonna just use my fan. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. I love this foundation. And I love it because I literally, like, I typically just don't put it all over my face. To give my face some balance already, it's like a pre-contouring, as you can say. I do use 2 different types of foundation. Now I'm gonna go in with my Luminous Silk Armani Exchange. Now, what I am gonna do is, before I even lay my contour on, I am going to be using the Ultimate Setting Powder. And just wherever I put that dark foundation, that's what I'm gonna mattify right now. Just that. I am gonna go in with my concealer, and my concealer is Fenty Beauty. So now I do like to let this sit for a little while I am letting this sit, excuse me. I am going to start on my brows. Now when I am doing my brows, you see how long they are? My brows really are like really long. So they're very full. They're full eyebrows. So this brow gel that I use is called Wing Me. Right, and it's just a clear gel. But what it helps is, it helps keeps all of those hairs that I have, it helps keep them in place. So I like brushing them forward, making them nice and messy, and then brush them up just like that. The reason why I like brushing them forward like that is honestly just so I can make sure that the product is inside of the eyebrows, or inside of the hair of the eyebrows. See that? There we go. And then now with the same contour that I had used before, what I tend to do is just splotch it right on. And then what I'm gonna use my contour brush. So with my same setting powder, because I feel like I'm gonna fall in love with this setting powder here. I feel like this is gonna be the one, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead and just grab my brush. And I was looking for my bigger brush. Now let me use this one. And I'm just gonna set my eyebrow, well, set my eyelids. All right, I'm gonna grab my eyeshadow kit. And honestly, I just want this, I want my eyeshadow to just be really like plain Jane. I don't want anything extravagant. So I'm gonna go in with hot chocolate. So now with my contour brush, I'm gonna go in with Java and just get right up in that crease. And then, cause your girl just ain't that simple, I like a little bit of a glow every now and then. I'm gonna put that right in the brow bone. And that's it. That's all I'm doing for the eyes today. And that is completely it. So then now, as you can see, I have this contour sitting on my face. Now let's go ahead. So I'm actually going to wet my brush with my, who is this again? Charlotte Tilbury, I think that it's called. I can't remember. Okay, check down here. Like it will be there. But absolutely love this setting spray specifically because it also has a very matte finish. And I don't know, I'm just like a matte girl right now. Just to make sure that my face is nicely highlighted the way that I love it, I am going to go in with the 430. The other one that I was using for the Fenty was, no, excuse me, this is 430. This is 400. Okay. So I just like to put that right here in the corners of my eyes. And honestly, I don't wait for this to dry. I just go right in. So for my setting powder, I am using Mercier. Laura Mercier. Now, I like to use this. This is translucent. The thing with translucent and dark skin girls is that, baby, you could start looking like a ghost real fast. You start looking a little bit too light skinned. You feel me? Like skin bleaching. So I do like to just press that in. And then what I will do afterwards is more than likely go over it with a different color setting powder. Maybe something a little bit deeper. But just to start it off, this is what I do use. And honestly, I only use translucent powder underneath my eyes. That's the only place that I'm really trying to lighten up like that. And then I will go in. Now this is Laura Mercier as well. This is my travel kit. I don't know what happened to my big one. It's actually very disturbing. I did some reorganizing inside of my room, and then also I was in the process of traveling. So I don't know what happened to it. I feel like I would not have taken that big jar with me traveling. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. So maybe if I just look really, really hard. I haven't really put my best foot forward with looking for it because I've been getting by on just this little small container right here. All right. So now this is from Natasha. This is honestly just, I don't even know where I got this from, but this is definitely eyeshadow. But this is just what I like using. Nose contour, blush, eyeliner. Just because I have it and I want to see what this is about, let's go ahead and use the Fantasize. I like that. That's cute. I like the play on words. Fantasize mascara. So now, last but definitely not least, I am going to, I think I'm going to use this brow pencil for a lip liner. Because let's be honest, like, what's the difference? What is the difference? Okay, and when I say what's the difference, I mean what's the difference in ingredients? Wait, I'm really looking for it. Okay, so, okay, this is cute because it has the brush. And then on the top here, you have the actual brow liner. Let's try it. Baby, is it even going on? Okay, so that was a fail. So we're gonna go back to our normal. I had this for so long. Listen, when I say don't judge me, I really mean don't talk negative about some of the things that I do. Okay, because we're gonna always make it work. We're gonna always make it work. So I actually broke this pencil in half so I could have one for my pocketbook. Actually, it wouldn't fit inside my pocketbook. So I have one for the pocketbook and then one for the house. That's how that go. And this is like always my go-to. You already know I'm gonna use my favorite Boxum. I love this lip gloss. I just really love the color. And then, of course, my beauty supply store lip gel. And this flavor, I say flavor because it's grape. And that's makeup, boo. This is what the makeup is given today. And now, for the moment of truth, we are going to, okay, use our waterproof setting spray from One Size. I'm nervous. I had to stop for a minute because I've heard so many good things about it and I just don't want to be disappointed. So let's get to it. Did I do it right? I don't know. I never used an aerosol can for setting spray. So I'm like nervous. Okay. Okay, that's good. Oh yeah. Okay. 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 That's what Beyonce has to go through. More power to you, sis. More power. Because that was different. That I'm not used to that. Listen, just don't breathe while you have it spraying. Don't breathe. Hold your breath. I should have done that. Okay, so hold on for a second. Let me just pause because I feel like I want to get into this makeup right now. The one thing I'm noticing about this makeup is, baby, it's mattified. I don't feel hot. I don't feel sweaty. Nothing. Like, nothing is coming through the pores of this makeup. I don't know yet. I'm showing it to y'all now. But I'm going to give y'all a full synopsis by the end of tonight. Hopefully by 12 a.m. because that's normally when I start settling down for the night. This is when I'm going to give you a full... I'm about to go outside. As soon as I finish my hair, I'm going outside. I do have to work tonight. So I'm going to be working through work. And I'm going to be sweating. So we just going to see. We going to see how this hold up. But for right now... Yup. That might be it. That might be the one. And this is the official finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and definitely make sure that you like, you comment, and you subscribe. So I said that I was going to do a review at night so you guys can see exactly how the makeup is sitting, and this is what is given. Honestly, I did not have to touch up my makeup one time today. And when I say I didn't have to, I just did not touch it up because I did not have to. like, check it out. Please don't look at the wig. Please don't look at the wig. Like, don't focus there. Just focus on the makeup, okay? And this is what it is. And this is the sweat-proof One Size along with the setting powder. Okay. I think it still looks really good. I didn't sweat not one time. I'm telling you, my whole nose, it would have been gone by now. My contour on my nose, it would have definitely been dabbed up. But I feel like this one held up pretty well. You know, and let's say, so I did my makeup today at, trying to remember. I did my makeup today at 2 p.m. and it is now 1 a.m. It's 1 a.m. Oh, I have to go to bed. Not even tired. I hate this. So, this is the makeup. This is the look.